Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tools on the market. Today, we have an absolute gem to talk about: the SHARDEN Ratchet Screwdriver 13-in-1 Ratcheting Screwdriver Set. If you're on the lookout for the best screwdriver handle, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in and explore why this SHARDEN Ratchet Screwdriver is making waves in the world of DIY and professional handymen. First up, let's talk about the ratcheting mechanism. This screwdriver breaks through the limitations of traditional screwdrivers. It has a convenient switch for clockwise and counterclockwise ratcheting, as well as a locking position for standard multi-bit screwdriver use. This feature alone saves you time and effort, making all-day driving a breeze. What truly sets this tool apart is its versatility. The SHARDEN Ratchet Screwdriver comes with a total of 13 items, including a 1/4 inch nut driver and 12 commonly used screwdriver bits. You'll find Torx security, slotted, Phillips, hex, and square bits, basically everything you need for various jobs, all in one set. Say goodbye to carrying a toolbox full of tools. This screwdriver has got you covered. Now, here's something that'll make your life easier: the space-saving design. The 12 changeable tips are conveniently stored in the handle with an integrated bit holder. Switching between bits is a breeze, and it takes up very little space. Whether it's your pocket, tool belt, kitchen drawer, or backpack, this screwdriver can fit just about anywhere. But wait, there's more. The SHARDEN screwdriver is designed with your comfort in mind. The cushion grip bi-material handle provides superb comfort, slip resistance, and maximum torque. No more hand fatigue during those long projects. Plus, the magnetic bit holder ensures speedy and secure bit changes, and it even applies to standard 1/4 of a bit. Now, let's talk about durability. All the bits in this set are constructed with CRV steel, ensuring longevity and reliability. SHARDEN stands by the quality of their product, offering a lifetime warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you encounter any issues, they've got you covered. So, there you have it, the SHARDEN Ratchet Screwdriver 13-in-1 Ratcheting Screwdriver Set. It's the ultimate all-in-one tool that combines versatility, convenience, and durability, making it the best screwdriver handle on the market today. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit and simplify your DIY projects, make sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this fantastic tool from SHARDEN. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.